You have heard. Yes, I know you have heard that you can make lots of money from blogging. There's this guy I met in Lagos because that's where I am. So back then he told me he wanted to go into blogging, and then I never knew what blogging is all about. So he told me that okay, he wants to start writing, he wants to start blogging. I was actually interested in it. So me, I started my own blogging last year, although I've not really taken it seriously. It's been months I've not even blogged. I've not really taken it seriously. So how are you now going to make money? This is it. I know you have a skill. Is it graphic design? Is it video editing? Are you selling a product? Like, I can remember years back, 2 or 3 years ago, I started this blog, but I never knew anything about copywriting then. I never knew anything about blogging. I never knew anything about social search engine optimization. But why did I start? I was doing one networking business then. So I was actually, the passion to make money is in me as a Nigerian and as an Igbo person. Yeah, that passion to make money is in me. So I got into this networking, and the product is very good. Honestly, their product is very good. It works for the people that bought it from me. People that bought it from me, they testified. Now how am I going to, because I know that so many people don't want all this networking something. You come, they'll tell you refer somebody, join, that's how you grow. So okay, what other way can I make money from this product? It is to sell the product. So, and the best way to sell it, as I was doing my research, somebody said he had to start a blog, and that was how he sold how many thousands and the rest. So remember I said I didn't know anything about blogging. I started my own blog. I paid someone to design a blog for me. They did. I didn't really get it back then, but now that I have the knowledge, it is working. Like, it works. So what you can do is choose a niche. Choose a niche. What do you know? What product are you selling? Like the products you want to sell, blog something related to that too. Not that you want to sell a health product and you are blogging something about IT technology. You are blogging about food. No. You want to sell skincare products, blog on something about beauty, skincare, how to take care of yourself. You want to sell digital products like video editing, graphic design, whatever it is, blog on something related to that. Because people that will find your blog are people that need that product they are selling or those services you are rendering. So when you blog it and well optimize that your website, optimization is very important too. That is where search engine optimization comes in. You are blogging. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this optimization. Search for those keywords people are looking for in your niche. Are you into beauty? Are you into hair? Are you selling hair? Are you selling wig? What are those keywords people, when they come online and they will type it, they will type those keywords. Hair, the keywords, that is not my line, so I can't really think of any keyword now. Something hair, beauty, skincare routine, whatever. Those words, you know them. It's your niche. It's your line. It's your business. So use those keywords and blog. Like, include those keywords in your content. That content you want to blog on. Like, choose a particular topic that people are searching for. But there is what we call keyword difficulty. Don't choose those topics that a lot of people are writing on. It will be very difficult for you to rank. Choose a topic that people are not really writing much on it, but people also need it. People search for it. So choose that topic, write on it. Include those keywords in your content, in your blog. So when you write your content, try to bring in your product. That is how to start making money from your blog without waiting for 3 years, 5 years, 4 years to get monetized on Google AdSense. Bring in your product, bring in your services as a solution. That is what I do. I'm into copywriting, I'm into search engine optimization, I'm into digital marketing. Digital marketing is very broad. Under digital marketing, you have social media management, you have copywriting, you have search engine optimization. That is my brand, digital marketing. That's my niche. So I blog anything around digital marketing. So when I blog it, and I bring in my services as a solution to that thing I'm writing on. So you now see people, after reading my blog, they will reach out to me. Because I have my contacts, there's a way to add my contacts. or they can just send an email or fill a form or comment in the comment section. So that is it. That's how to start making money from your blog. People will buy. Let's say you want to offer digital products. You want to sell your ebook. You want to sell your video course or whatever. Host it on Seller or any other hosting platform. Host it on Seller or any other hosting platform. Then put your link in that your blog. There is a way to add your link. Add it so that whoever that sees your blog, the person needs that thing you are selling, the person will click on it and it take the person directly to where you hosted your digital product, either your ebook or your video, and the person will buy. And that's how you make money without waiting for AdSense, without waiting for 2 years to come, without waiting for 3 years to come for you to get monetized on your blog. Like, it's just very simple. So start now. Start making money from your blog. It's real. It's possible. You are selling a product. Start blogging. Not just social media. Start blogging. Do you know that Google is the highest search engine in the whole world? Google is the highest search engine, followed by YouTube. So when people every day, billions of searches are going on Google, tell me how you are not going to sell your products. Tell me how you are not going to sell out your services when you are blogging and you do the right optimization. You are going to sell out. So start today. Monetize that your skill through blogging. Sell out your services through blogging. Sell out your products through blogging. And you will come back and thank me later. If you don't have any idea about blogging, search engine optimization, whatever, comment in the comment section. Either blogging or search engine optimization, and I will reach out to you and guide you. I have a course on search engine optimization. I have a course on content writing. I have a course in copywriting. So any of them, you can, you can join any of the trainings and get 1 or 2 ideas. Get the idea on how you are going to monetize your skill. Or if you still need a free guide, I can still give you a free guide on how you can get started. Then when you get started, you will start making your money. You can now come back for the paid training so that you can get full knowledge on how to sell out your products and your services on Google. Make your money from Google. I'm the one telling you. Start blogging today and make money. Okay? Then come back and thank me later. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.